good morning. Okay, let's organize the veranda. Need to bring this shelf to carport. Let's do that. Gonna have to fix this. I can still saw the back, so sometime today or tomorrow, I'm not sure. Ready to be transferred upstairs in the carport. Yeah, it looks like the old man is planting something. You can see all the rows. I don't know what they are. We'll find out. He's using this land, but this land is for sale. Always nice to have a sexy gardener. They're gonna put the feet first. Anyway, oh, it doesn't matter. Lift a bit. Salam alaikum. Okay, that's here now. We'll organize another day. Let's work on the veranda and finish it off. Oh, jam hungry already started. Chicken something.
Chicken adobo with egg.
Chicken adobo, okay. Fish.
It's for
Yeah,
Bella.
and salad. Tomato salad, beautiful. And we have a little red one there. That's it. I'm hungry. In the meantime, everybody working here. It's nice, it's cooler now. It's over 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m., so it's a bit cooler. Yeah, expect more rain. Well, that's pretty good. Well, mommy and daddy are working hard. Bella watching TV, your favorite cartoon. My love. Look at her smile, she loves it. So cute. See, she copied whatever's on the screen. Oh, she slept with the kitchen thing. She loves it. Okay, let's get back to work. Yeah, almost there. Just get the scissors. Cut the bottom. Okay, this one is completely finished. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm happy. Full privacy, which is normal. A little fresh air can come through. Okay, next. The grass has been cut, nice. Need to buy a new one. Yeah, more rain. I can see that coming. This girl watching TV. She loves it. Okay. I think seriously now. Temporary beer. Good job. Time to have a rest. Bella's broken all the long glass I used for the beer. They're all gone. Today was the last one. So I'm using this. Actually, it's nice. I told Jam just maybe put a bit of a painting around decoration. They make nice glasses. Why not instead of buying them? Yep. Cheers. I don't drink often, but a nice cold beer at the end of the day when you've been working so hard. It's been so hot today. Today's been really muggy. So that beer really go down nicely. Just one thing before I forget, please. When you watch a video, please appreciate. Click the thumb up. I've seen few people sometime and good viewers that been sending a comment and I look on the video, there's no thumb up at all. So please don't forget, because it's important to us. You know, money's going down. It's going down all the time. There's more and more and more and more vlogger in the Philippines coming from overseas, and it's killing me. And it's killing all the vloggers as well. So unless you do something controversial, which is not my nature, sexy, not really my nature. I mean, I love sex, but I'm not gonna promote my channel with sex
What
as
did
such.
you say? You love sex?
See, she agree. What else I don't like? You know, this. Maybe I'm too honest. Maybe I should do something like that and get the views up. Maybe that's why I'm going down. I'm too honest. Anyway, the veranda is taking shape. Next job, I want to take that fan down. So I will ask Jem to help me a little bit. Just climb on the table and bring it down. We're going to pack it. We're going to paint the fan and store it for now, because what we're going to do after everything ready, I mean, the veranda's finished, cupboard's finished, cupboard, the storage room, all I have to do is to put my stuff properly. That's okay, that can wait. I'll do little by little. I will do little by little. So I want to finish the veranda. And then we're going to attack the ceiling in our bedroom. That's going to be a mess. We need to take practically all the furniture out. I'm not sure how I'm going to do yet, because my trusses are 2 meters far away from each other because they're big, thick piece of timber. So we'll see. Okay. Is my boss.
What did you say?
Keep those nice glasses, because no more.
Stop filming.
Hmm? What's up? She's sleeping. Okay. Baby fall asleep on the sofa. You know about Bella's skin rash. I had one like her in my uh, lower back, like this, like her, Sam. But I didn't scratch, so he went away. But she scratched. We told her not to scratch. We cut her fingernails really short, still scratching. That should be right. Should be right. If not, dermatologist for sure next week. Once my next pay comes in, pension. My next pension comes in. Yeah. Anyway, we're waiting for the rain now tonight. Probably nobody came for the utility post. Yeah, it's been a very busy day, but nice, good progress. At last, we managed to find a vanilla ice cream. Because with that, we can do our smoothie. And Bella loves it. She heard the word. She heard the word.
Magix.
She loves ice cream. Bella ran away. Because that ice cream doesn't have the ube color. Anyway.
You know what? Ice cream?
Oh yeah, Bella loves ice cream. Yummy. Mommy, come on, give me more.
Mmm. Yeah.
Oh, that's a lovely kiss. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care, God bless you all. Bye bye. Please don't forget, thumbs up. Thank you so much.